Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set UTC seconds. So it's gonna set the specified dates for the seconds in the specific, in the universal time, Greenwich Meridian timeline of that. So it's no different than the set seconds because everywhere the seconds and the milliseconds are equal. So it's no different than the set seconds. So let me show you. Let me comment out this line. Those who don't know what this is, just to check it out my UTC hours. And for those who don't want to go, just check it out this. So when I do that, it's 30 seconds. It's gonna give you 30. So and now there is no difference. This is what it does. You can use the set seconds to set the seconds. So SECOND seconds. So it's gonna give you 23. So this is what it does. It's no different than the UTC seconds because all they are same. If I set the seconds here, it's gonna, you understand by now. So because it's given you the set UTC, because maybe there is a chance that in the future there is another GMT like 30-second difference. It maybe happens, political reasons. So it can be happen. There is no deny for that. So that's why the programmers at that time understand that why we need to set the internationalization of that. So even they go as far as to UTC milliseconds. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.